Hello and welcome to my video today. This is a follow-up on the ORS SeaScan Pro version 1.2 video that I did a few days ago. I wasn't able to test the Doggie window calibration on my car since it's already working, but I do have a local owner that has had 12-volt battery issues and has had to reset the vehicle, and his Doggie windows in California mode is not working. So we're going to be using the hardware software and get it working again. So let's get started. All right, so what we're gonna do is do a quick demo of the, do you have your key? And I'll probably just test it out here. And we'll open California mode. Yeah, so as you can see, all of the other windows are open except for the two Doggie windows here on the right and left sides. So yeah, so I am going to close it up. And I am going to attach everything we need to do. All right, so attach the OBD2 cable. And we'll put the other end on the laptop. And full screen. We're going to connect. I'm going to read the VIN. And I don't know if you saw the other video, but there's clear DTCs. If for example, if you had the fan going up there, I know some people had that issue. You can clear DTCs and that gets that fan working again. So that's a handy thing to do. Then there's the software versions. You can see all the software versions for the ECUs. And what we're going to do now is go into functions and calibrations. We're going to do Doggie window calibration. And now it says starting Doggie window calibration. It's rolling down a rear left window. And now it's going up. I don't know how many times it needs to do that, but now it's doing the right window. And now that one's going up. Doggie window calibration complete. Okay, that's pretty fast. So, okay, I'm going to do close. And I'm going to just keep this running still. I am going to now show a test. Let's see. And there we go. We got all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 windows open. That is pretty cool. Yeah. So, all right. So I am now disconnected. I can shut this down and disconnect. Okay, well, that about wraps it up. As you can see, it was pretty easy to retrain the Doggie windows for the Fisker Ocean with the ORS SeaScan Pro version 1.2. And we got Ollie back on the road again. In case you happen to be in the central North Carolina area, Triangle region, feel free to contact me at mtn_ranger@aol.com if you want to have anything looked at on your Fisker Ocean, or if you just want to come by and say hi, no problem at all. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.